If Earth suddenly lost all of its water, the consequences would be catastrophic. Without water, our planet would become a barren, lifeless rock. But what happens next depends on what caused the water to disappear in the first place. In the first one, all the water evaporates into space. And in the second one, all the water simply vanishes. Let's get started with the first scenario. All the water on Earth evaporates into space. As the water moves away from Earth, it would form a giant sphere around the planet. This sphere would act like a giant magnifying glass, and it would trap heat from the sun. In this video, we're going to explore two scenarios. When water evaporates from Earth's surface, it rises into the atmosphere and forms clouds. All at once, if all the water on Earth suddenly vanished, our planet would be in big trouble. The entire planet would be covered in sand and dust storms. The atmosphere would become dry and air travel would become impossible. Even the ocean's tides and currents would cease to exist. Plants would wither and die, animals would become thirsty, and crops would fail. The water in Earth's atmosphere acts like a shield, absorbing harmful radiation from the sun. When water evaporates from the ocean, it cools the air around it. This process helps to prevent Earth from becoming too hot and also helps to distribute heat around the planet. Without this natural air conditioning, Earth's surface would become too hot to support life. Without this protection, Earth would be bombarded by deadly radiation, making it even more hostile to life. Within a few days, humans would die of thirst. It makes up about 60% of our planet's surface and is a key ingredient for the chemistry that sustains life. When water evaporates from the ocean, it forms clouds that eventually precipitate back to Earth in the form of rain, snow, or hail. This cycle helps to regulate Earth's climate and provides the water that all living things need to survive. From scorching temperatures to frozen landscapes, the consequences would be catastrophic. Until next time, keep looking up. But in both scenarios, one thing is clear: we need to appreciate and protect this precious resource while we still have it. Over time, these clouds reach the upper layers of the atmosphere, where the air is thin and cold. The water in rivers and oceans erodes rocks and soil, which helps to create new landforms. Not only do humans and other living things need water to survive, but our planet's atmosphere and climate depend on it. So let's hope that Earth's water cycle continues for billions of years to come. Without water, erosion would stop and Earth's surface would remain unchanged. The water vapor condenses into tiny ice crystals and forms clouds of ice. But as time passed, the Earth would begin to cool down. Eventually, all the water would drift away and Earth would become a lifeless, frozen rock. If all the water on Earth were to evaporate, these clouds would eventually reach the exobase, the outer boundary of Earth's atmosphere, which is about 10,000 kilometers from the surface. Once the water reaches this altitude, it would be beyond the Earth's gravitational pull, and it would start to drift away into outer space. At first, the trapped heat would make Earth's surface too hot for life to survive. But what if instead of evaporating into space, all the water just vanished? Water is essential for all life on Earth. The water cycle is the continuous movement of water on, above, and below the Earth's surface. But what would happen if this cycle were to stop? In fact, without water, Earth would become a desert, but that's not all. Water also plays an important role in protecting Earth from space. What's more, Earth's water also helps to regulate our planet's temperature. Not only that, but water also plays a role in shaping Earth's surface. As you can see, water is essential for life on Earth, so there you have it, two scenarios of what would happen if Earth suddenly lost all of its water. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on space and astronomy.